Today I'm on right again. Look, this is a cat, but this is a smiley. This is a lollipops. This is a flower pots. I think anything by myself. This is all my fridge, but so small. Anything anymore. Look, a part of my fridge and pink and so pleasant. You guys, 1, 0, 10. This is a ice, and this is ice fridge. Look, EFASTEST. Faster, fastest. You guys, this is all anything. And subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Bye.